Prosecutors make their case in court, trying to keep Casey Anthony's lawyer from talking.
That is not something that is helpful to the defendant, to have her own attorney on national television saying, my client lied to the police.
Plus, finally, Kid Finders opens up about the photo the Anthonys believe could be Kaylee. Who took it, and why didn't they call the police?
At 133 days since 3-year-old Caylee Anthony has been reported missing, and tonight an Orange County judge is mulling over a gag order in the case against her mother, Casey. Good evening. I'm Mike Dunstan.
And I'm Amy Caulfield. Prosecutors say she killed the little girl, and they're trying to keep her lawyer from talking about the case. First on Fox, Shannon Butler is live at the Orange County Courthouse right now. Shannon, any idea on when the judge will make this decision?
Yeah, he said anytime after noon tomorrow. He's giving both sides a little extra time to present more information if they want to by lunchtime tomorrow. No decision on a gag order today. The prosecution tried to get a temporary gag order in place just until the judge makes that decision. He said no. The prosecution then looked at Jose Baez and said, let's make a deal. Let's just agree not to talk until that happens. Well, guess what? Jose Baez said no way, came right outside the courtroom and started talking.
And why is it so important to you?
Well, it's a very important case. Girl's life is on the line.
And that was the point the state attorney was trying to make, saying a gag order was the only way to stop information from getting out to the media. It's the only way, they say, to protect Casey Anthony. The prosecutor pointing his finger at Jose Baez as the biggest offender, telling Judge Stan Strickland that his TV interviews, his comments on Fox, in the newspaper, and all over national TV is tainting the jury pool.
It creates an atmosphere where potential jurors are virtually invited to make a decision.
But Baez came out swinging, saying this is just a waste of time.
They have put forth a case in the media, and now that they are obligated to turn things over, they want to shut us up because they have zero by way of any witnesses that anything happened to Kaylee Marie, zero by way of any type of confession, zero by way of how this child may or may not have died.
Casey's attorney making it clear he's not the one who can't keep things to himself. Baez argued the information on the chloroform, the hair in the trunk, and even what was on Casey's computer did not come from him.
Am I surprised that they came after me? You know, that's advocacy, and if I can dish it out, I'm going to have to take it.
But the bottom line, both Baez and some folks representing the state have said plenty. But have they said enough to convince a judge to order a clampdown? The second motion discussed today was that motion where Jose Baez wanted to bring his laptop inside the jail. A judge did not have to rule on that today because Chief Tidwell, out at the judge, the man in charge of the jail, already made that decision and said Baez could bring that computer, so the judge didn't have to make that decision today. We are